Chef Albert here again. How are everybody doing this weekend? Great. This is Albert's Voice Chef, and I want to take this moment. Since the algorithm has changed to 500 subscribers, come on, we can do it. I know we can. So we're going to make mango smoothie. I have a whole tree out there full of mangoes, enough to feed the whole of YouTube. So here's one of the mangoes already. Peeled it. I'm going to put it in that $19.99 Walmart blender, right, with 4 cubes of ice and purified water. And that's about it. You don't really need a whole bunch of stuff, but this already has everything you need. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm back. Slice of mango, ice cubes in there. Just have to add the water. And that's about it. Now we blend. There you go. That's what it's designed for, smoothies. But it does break up everything. Okay, let me get a glass and we'll have some together. Okay, see? This has all the vitamins and all the other things you need in the mango. You can't put the mango in a juice extractor.